In this video, I am going to discuss one simple example, that is to obtain a Fourier series of the function minus pi in minus pi less than x less than 0 and x in 0 less than x less than pi. Hence deduce that pi square by 8 equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2n minus 1 the whole square. Here this function is discontinuous and it is defined from minus pi to plus pi. Now let me consider here our interval alpha to alpha plus 2l is nothing but minus pi to plus pi, therefore alpha will become minus pi, and to find out this 2l equal to pi minus of minus pi, which is equal to 2 pi, which implies L equal to pi. Okay, and the given function is with the period. The function, the f of x is periodic function with the period 2 pi. Okay, for this one Fourier series is given by, okay, f of x is equal to a naught divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by l plus bn into sin n pi x by l. This is in the interval in alpha to alpha plus 2l. Therefore what 2l is pi, I have to use that one. Now to find out the Fourier coefficients a naught, now a naught is given by 1 by l integration from alpha to alpha plus 2l f of x dx, but l is nothing but here our pi. Okay, therefore 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi f of x into dx. But this f of x is defined in two different ways. What are those two different ways? That is from minus pi to 0 it is minus pi, and for 0 to pi it is x. Therefore I will split this integration into two parts as a naught equal to 1 by pi into integration from minus pi to 0 plus integration from 0 to pi. From minus pi to 0, f of x is defined to be minus pi into dx, whereas for 0 to pi the function is defined to be x into dx. This integration I have to evaluate. That is given by 1 by pi integration of minus pi with respect to x will become minus pi into x between the limits minus pi to 0, plus for this one it is x square by 2 between the limits 0 to pi. Okay, now substitute, which is given by 1 by pi minus pi into upper limit is 0 minus of minus pi, plus for this one pi square by 2 minus 0. Okay, now I am going to get it as 1 by pi into minus pi into plus pi will become minus pi square plus pi square divided by 2. Simplify this, LCM I am going to get it as 2 minus 2 pi square plus pi square will become minus pi square. Therefore one of the pi will cancel and a naught I am going to get it as minus pi divided by 2. My a naught value is minus pi divided by 2. Like that, next Fourier coefficient an I have to calculate. Therefore an is given by 1 by l integration from alpha to alpha plus 2l into f of x cos n pi x by l into dx. Now let me substitute L equal to and alpha equal to, I am going to get it as 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi f of x into cos n pi x divided by L. L is nothing but again pi into dx. Here pi cancels, and this f of x is defined in two different ways for minus pi to plus pi. Therefore, I will split this into two integrations as 1 by pi integration from minus pi to 0. For minus pi to 0, function f of x is minus pi into cos nx plus integration from 0 to pi, minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi, the function f of x is defined to be x cos nx into dx. These integrations I have to evaluate step by step. Now, this is 1 by pi minus pi constant, and integration of cos nx will become sin nx divided by n between the limits minus pi to 0 plus this integration. To do this integration, x into cos nx is there. Bernoulli's rule I have to use here. That is x into integration of cos nx is sin nx divided by n minus differentiation of x is 1. Integration of sin nx is minus cos nx divided by n already there. One more integration constant will come n square. This is between the limits 0 to pi. Okay. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit for both the terms. Total 3 terms are there. And one thing you can observe here, for whenever sign containing term is there, sin 0 is also 0, sin minus pi and pi also 0. Therefore, total this term becomes 0. As well as here also, for x equal to 0 or x equal to pi, for both upper limit and lower limit, sign containing terms usually they will become 0 because of sin n pi equal to 0 and cos n pi equal to 0. This one is substitute. I have to substitute for n equal to x equal to pi and x equal to 0. That is 1 by pi. 1 by pi, I will write minus of minus, it will become plus cos nx, correct, between the limits 0 to pi, and this n square I will write outside, which is equal to where 1 by pi n square into upper limit cos n pi minus cos 0. Okay, that final answer I am going to get it as an is equal to an, my final value of an will become minus, that is minus 1 raised to n minus 1, cos my n pi is minus 1 raised to n, and cos 0 is a 1 divided by pi n square. This is my an. Like that, I have to find out next bn is given by 1 by L integration from alpha to alpha plus 2L f of x into sin n pi x by L into dx is my formula. In this L I have to substitute. L is nothing but pi. 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi f of x into sin n pi x divided by pi into dx. This pi cancels nx. But this f of x is defined in two different ways for different intervals. That is 1 by pi integration from minus pi to 0 I will split. F of x is minus pi for this interval into sin nx dx plus, and in the interval 0 to pi f of x is defined as x into sin nx dx. These two integrations I have to evaluate. That is 1 by pi minus pi constant outside, and integration of sin nx is given by minus cos nx divided by n. Okay, between the limits minus pi to 0 plus integration of x into sin nx, x into integration of sin is minus cos nx divided by n minus differentiation of x is 1, integration of minus cos nx will become minus sin nx divided by already one n is there, one more n will come minus n. Between the limits, this integration is between the limits pi. Okay, this one I have to evaluate now. Okay, again for the limits 0 to pi or sign containing terms, sign for sin n pi and sin 0 both are become 0, or these two terms will become 0 for both the terms. Only in remaining terms I have to substitute the limits. That will become 1 by pi minus pi into upper limit x equal to 0. If I am substituting cos 0, cos 0 will become, or this n also I can take outside here, cos 0 minus cos 0 minus cos minus of minus cos n minus pi. This is for the first term. And for here plus upper limit x equal to pi. Okay, pi minus this I will take outside, and cos of n pi divided by n minus lower limit x equal to 0. 0 into anything will become 0. Stop here. Which is nothing but 1 by pi into minus pi by n into minus 1 plus cos of minus theta is plus cos theta only, therefore it is minus 1 raised to n plus pi into minus 1 raised to n divided by n. 1 by pi into pi by n common, and minus is multiplied inside, it will come plus minus of minus 1 raised to n minus, and this minus into minus 1 raised to n. Therefore this pi cancels. Therefore my final answer bn is equal to 1 by n into bracket 1 minus 2 times minus 1 raised to n. This is my required bn. Okay, now using all this a0, an and bn in the Fourier series. Okay, therefore Fourier series becomes f of x is equal to a0 divided by 2. My a0 value is minus pi by 2 divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an. My an value is minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by pi n square into cos n pi x divided by pi plus b values here 1 minus 2 times minus 1 raised to n divided by n into sin n pi x divided by pi. Pi cancels, here also pi cancels. Now my required final answer is minus pi divided by 4 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by pi n square into cos nx plus 1 minus 2 times minus 1 raised to n divided by n into sin nx. This is the required Fourier series. Using this I have to deduce the second form. Okay, to deduce that, okay, deduction, let me put x equal to 0. Okay, I want 2n minus 1 square, therefore sin nx will become 0. Okay, put x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, what about my f of 0? My f of 0 will become f of 0 is equal to 1 by 2 times f of 0 minus plus f of 0 plus, because of 0 is a discontinuous point here. In the definition of the function, okay, in the definition of the function is discontinuous. X is not equal to 0, therefore for both the terms I have to consider an average of this one. Okay, that is 1 by 2 times f of minus 0 and this one. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 2 times, for first term f of 0 equal to will become negative side, it will become x is there, therefore it is 0, and for the positive side it is minus pi. For my f of 0 is minus pi by 2. Substituting this here, therefore minus pi by 2 equal to minus pi by 4 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by pi n square into cos 0 plus sin 0 will become 0. Second term becomes 0. This is shifting to other side. I am going to get minus pi by 2 plus pi by 4 equal to 1 by pi outside. This outside summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by n square. Okay, now simplifying left hand side, LCM is 4 minus 2 pi plus pi will become minus 2 pi plus pi will become minus pi, correct? Minus pi, and into this pi I will shift other side, which is equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by n square. And here to expand this one, for n equal to 1, for n equal to 1, what happens here? For n equal to 1, minus 1 raised to n will become minus 1 raised to 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 divided by 1 square, plus next for n equal to 2, minus 1 raised to 2 will become plus 1, minus 1 divided by 2 square, plus minus 1 divided by 3 square, plus 1 minus 1 divided by 4 square, plus so on. Okay, therefore this becomes 0, this becomes 0. Even only odd terms will remain, that is minus pi square divided by 4 equal to minus 2 divided by 1 square, minus 2 divided by 3 square, minus 2 divided by 5 square, minus so on. And minus is taken common and shifted to left hand side. This will become minus of minus plus pi square divided by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. These are odd terms, therefore I can write it as summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 divided by 2n minus 1 the whole square. This is my required deductions. Series, please subscribe my channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications, and please like, comment and share this video. Thank you friends.